Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not Into Reviews, and today we're unboxing two boxes from Sips By. One is one of their boxes you can buy in their shop. It's a themed box. It's the Floral tea box. The other is a tea that Sips By created. I'm super excited to share it with you. You can buy it on their website. I will link down below with my affiliate link to all these items. FYI, Sips By did send this to me for review. I usually do their subscription unboxing. This is not a subscription. So hey, if you're not into subscriptions, I'm working on it. So first, let's open. This is the tea that they created. It says love at first sip. And it tells you about the Sips By subscription. If you've watched my channel, you know all about that subscription, dudes. All right, but this is the tea. I actually have a bag already, and I tried it, and I really like it. This is a well-being turmeric tonic herbal tea. So it's caffeine-free. It says loose leaf. In it, you have ginger. So it's warm, and like if you like ginger, you're gonna love it. Turmeric, which has that kind of a bittery, not bitter, but like, do you know what I mean? Like an earthy kind of flavor. Sweet blackberry leaves, black pepper flavor, and bee pollen, which I don't really taste, but I would say steep it a little, and then little by little, if depending, because that ginger can be very strong. But I really like it. It's very good. So that is the tea. I don't know how much this is, but I will link to it below. This is, I don't know how big the bag is either, to be honest. All right, anyway, getting into this box. This is the Floral tea box. You guys know, if you've watched my channel for any length of time, you know I love florals. I love rose, I love lavender, I love the flavors, I love the scents, I love the look. I just love them. I love flowers. They're beautiful. They smell wonderful. So this is their Floral tea box. It's a themed box available in their one-time shop. These are also $15, just like the subscription. There is a little paper, just like in the regular box, that tells you about each of the items. We're going to go to that at the end, but first we're going to talk about each of the teas. So first up, we have from Facetory, who they've been in this box quite a few times, and every time I feel like the package is a little different, a little nicer. I don't know. I love it. This is Tè de Segni Toscani, a relaxing, soothing blend of herbs, fruits, and flowers that will transport you to a sunny Italian countryside and make your stresses drift away. There's that. Silver linden tree blossoms, lemon balm leaves, lavender blossoms, rose petals, sweet blackberry leaves, apple pieces, orange blossoms, and mallow blossoms. So there is that. This is a loose leaf. You can see it in there. It's beautiful. It's obviously going to be fantastic. Just like every other. So I feel like I just got really red. I don't know why. This does have little disposable tea bags in it, which I love. All right. This is from Serenity. This is Maroon Belle's Lady Grey. I don't know what a maroon bell, but look at how pretty. This is going to be highly caffeinated because it is a black tea. This makes 4 8-ounce cups. It has black tea, green tea, jasmine petals, lavender, and rose. So that sounds very decadent. A great one for early in the morning. All right. Second to last. This is Purveyors of Fine Tea, the Hale Tea Company. Jasmine flowers ingredients. Oh, so it's a jasmine tea. Oh, it says right here. Jasmine flowers. One of my absolute favorites. It's not for everyone, but it's for me. It is lightly caffeinated, as all jasmine is. In here you have organic green tea and jasmine flowers. That's it. Simple, to the point, also loose leaf. I think every tea in here is loose leaf. All right. Last one is from White Tea Co. White, W-I-G-H-T. This is the Sage Rose White. So a relaxing blend, savory sage and floral pink rose come together with a light peppery bite of lemongrass. Every single thing I love. You can't go wrong. Look at the packaging also. Creamy pink. You had me at creamy pink. It has in it Pie Mouton white tea, sage, pink rose petals, and lemongrass. I love lemongrass. I love rose. Sage, I grow sage. Did you guys know that? Now you know. And I don't know about Pie Mouton white tea, but white tea is great, and you can drink it in the early afternoon, late afternoon. It's very low caffeine. Very, very cool. All right, so going over the teas. The Tuscan Dreams from Facetory is caffeine-free. There's that. The Maroon Belle's Lady Grey from Serenity is, yikes, where did it go? Is medium caffeine. They say medium. I would go, it's got 2 kinds of caffeine, but that's okay. The Jasmine Flowers is a medium caffeine. Oh, interesting. And then the Sage White Rose is a low caffeine. So that is everything that came in the floral tea box. If you're into florals, definitely something you want to try. This time of year, spring, perfect time for this kind of stuff. Love it. I can't get enough of it. I don't know about you, but I just love it. Anyway, if you're interested in checking out Sips By, maybe they have other one-time boxes like brunch boxes, bridesmaids boxes. They have it all. Like, honestly, if you're into tea or you know somebody is and you want to get them a little gift, definitely check out their one-time shop or get them a subscription. I mean, you can't go wrong with one of those, especially if you're buying a gift for me, just so you. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.